that you cannot show emotion, that you must be stoic, and you must keep yourself to yourself. Ngunit sana maunawaan ninyo, kung tumulo ang luha ko dahil napakalaking nawala sa atin, napakawalaki ang nawala sa akin, sa inyong lahat, at sa bansang Pilipinas. And if I do shed a tear, it is because it is such a sad